Alright, here we have a 2015 John Deere 310 Super K. It's got 5,000 original hours. Has a quick coupler on the bucket on the front and back. It's going to have an Extend-a-hoe as well on the backhoe. And then we have 4 near new tires on this equipment as well. This has 4-wheel drive on this unit, as well as cab air and a radio. All 4 tires are also matching. This also is equipped with pilot controls as well. See outriggers. It's a quick coupler on the back bucket as well. Still needs to be cleaned and detailed. There's your Extend-a-hoe. This machine has also been very well greased. Very clean 310 John Deere Super K, 5,000 original hours, near new tires, matching all around. Quick coupler on the front and the back buckets. And as I reiterate, enclosed cab with AC as well. All working lights too, which is always great.